If you're visiting Abu Dhabi, New York, Las Vegas, or New Jersey, and you're looking for a souvenir, I have an interesting suggestion. Go to the nearest gold vending machine and buy yourself a bar. It sounds like a tacky casino attraction for some, but it's real, and it's the best thing that can ever happen to an investor. The five-star Emirates Palace Hotel installed the gold bullion ATM in its lobby, and it's the first permanent gold vending machine in the world. The Gold-to-Go machine sells 24-karat gold bars weighing 1, 5, and 10 grams, as well as gold coins from Canada, Australia, and South Africa. Users can navigate menu choices via a 19-inch touchscreen. You can pay for the gold with cash, which hopefully in a casino you have some, or with credit card. Currently, there are US locations in New York, Las Vegas, and New Jersey. There's also some in Austria, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, and Portugal. Although this was first meant for tourists wanting to get some souvenirs, many investors are finding more benefit from it. It gives them access to gold when they need it. And guess what? Gold is headed to $1,900 an ounce, and it's making investors eager to get some in their portfolio. And if you invest now and it goes up to $3,000 an ounce like Bank of America estimates, that'll be a 37% gain from today. Having a gold vending machine is convenient. You, however, may not be within driving distance to Abu Dhabi, New York, Vegas, or New Jersey. Don't let that stop you from investing in gold. And guess what? You can put gold into your IRA. So if you have an old 401k or any kind of IRA and you want to roll that into actual physical gold, we can help you do that. And if you want to learn how to do that, check out our website at noblegoldinvestments.com. That's noblegoldinvestments.com.